No chemicals. Sardines preserved for up to 12 months. I'm going to start our recipe by placing some fresh sardines in a glass jar. The quantity will depend on the size of your jar. My sardines are quite large, so there won't be many that will fit in this jar. Remember that I've already cleaned the sardines. See how they look in the jar. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt. I'm also going to add a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a little oregano, remembering that the seasonings are to taste, okay? Next I'm going to add bay leaves, which is also to taste. And now I'm going to add a little olive oil, up to half of the jar. Then I'm going to stir the sardines so that the seasonings mix. Now I'm going to add 2 cloves of garlic. And I'm also going to squeeze the juice of a lemon into the jar. Friends, this recipe is very easy and very tasty. It's better than buying them at the store because it has no preservatives and is much healthier. So if you like recipes like this, leave a comment below. I love homemade recipes so that I can bring you more and more recipes. Finally, I'm going to add a sprig of rosemary, which I cut in half and am placing inside the jar with the sardines. Now let's lower the syrup of our sardines this way so that we can close the jar. Now just cover our glass jar with the seasoned sardines, and as you saw, it was very easy to prepare. Now I'm going to show you how to cook them. Here I have a folded dish towel, and I'm going to wrap our glass jar with the sardines with this towel like this. Now I'm going to get my pressure cooker. I put another dish towel inside the pan, and I'm going to place our glass jar inside here too, like this, with the lid facing up. Now I'm going to add water. Here I added water up to half the pan. Now let's cover the pan and put it on the stove. When it starts to pressure, just count 5 minutes, turn off the heat, and let the pressure release on its own. Our canned sardines are ready. I'm going to open my jar of sardines, remembering that you need to wait for them to cool completely before opening the lid. Now I'm going to show you the final result. The sardines are very soft and fall apart, so you have to be very careful when removing them from the jar. Remove the syrup from the sardines and then just take one sardine and serve. Now I'm going to try our recipe, see how well our sardines are cooked and how super healthy they are. I'm going to try it. Yum! My God, how delicious. These sardines were wonderful, super tasty and incredible. Make them at home and everyone will love the result.